CBSE has issued a notification 22 on 4th April 2022 regarding teachers training of employability skills component of skill courses. CBSE is organizing online webinars for the same courses. CBSE has made batches for senior secondary level as well as secondary level teachers. In the notification, you will find the date and timing accordingly. You will also find the link of registration. I am providing the same link for registration in the description. By clicking the link, you will go to the Google form for the registration. You have to fill the required information. Now, the question is, who is going to attend the training? The CBSE says that the teachers who are teaching vocational skill subjects in CBSE schools can conduct the trainings. Now, one more doubt you can have, that is, what are the skill subjects? Actually, CBSE has given the list of skill subjects. I am also providing the link for the list of skill subjects in the notification. The subject codes for classes 9 and 10 are from 401 to 419. Classes 11 and 12 are 801 to 844. There is no fee for attending these webinars. The invitation link for the webinar shall be emailed to the participants one day prior to the program on the email ID provided at the time of registration.